So we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts real quickly here. Bitcoin update on the Bitcoin price right now is at $9,920. Of course, we're going through a correction. As I said previously, we have to stay above 9,100, which is what used to be resistance. Looked like it has become support now, and then we shot back up. And then, of course, we're coming down on a correction. As soon as we hit the 26 EMA, it bounced right back up. Right now, we're at a consolidation phase. Currently, a doji is forming. And it looks like we're set to blast off any hour now, right? So it could be in 2 hours. It could be in the next 5 minutes. It can be in the next 45 minutes. It could be in the next 4 hours. But any hour now, we're ready to burst. It's either going to go up or down. But on the chart,
no biting.
It's all bullish. It is bullish signs that we have here going on right now. So now what we have to do is wait to see, because remember the RSI is kind of high, okay? But it did come down and cool down some, and it may shoot back up because the bullish signs up here on the charts on the EMA resistance is looking good. But we have to always be cautious. And maybe this drop that we just had there was because Bitcoin is finally trying to cool down. So that's what we need to wait for. Watch the chart up here. If it continues to pop upwards, then that means we're going up to 11,000 soon. If not, we're going to come down here and consolidate somewhere around 9,600. If we go below 9,600, it's probably gonna come down to 9,000 or 9,100 to just touch real quickly, and then after that it'll shoot back up. And as long as things stay going that way, that means everything is good, doing good. Right now we got other markets opening up. Of course, gold is at 1,582. Silver is at $17.73. And that's been like that for a very long time now. So we're probably going to see some type of breakout soon. But the prices on gold and silver have been going up. It just haven't been able to break above this range here. We're still waiting on some of the U.S. markets to come in, of course. But so far, if you was to look at the chart on the S&P 500, chart is looking good, but it's gonna probably pop just a little bit more before people start taking some profit off of it, because we had a round trip here, came down to the 26 EMA, and it bounced right back up, and it may bounce a little higher, then come back down and touch that EMA again for some reason. In technical analysis, it always comes back and touches those lines. So let's go back here to the Bitcoin chart. Currently on the 1 hour, what are we looking at? Right now on the 1 hour chart, as you can see right here, we just broke above the EMA on the 1 hour chart, just above it. So what we need to do now is stay above that blue line. As long as we stay above that blue line, then we might have a trend reversal on the hourly. If we don't get that and it swoops back down, then that means that we can head further down and we'll probably touch 9,600 again. But for right now, you can see the green candlesticks forming. If we get a good break at this point here, we're going to shoot up violently. I mean, if you ever seen Bitcoin take off, that's exactly what it's going to do. So other than that, guys, just stay alert. I'll be back with another Bitcoin update. Remember, Crypto 38, like and subscribe if you like the videos, and always remain positive.